Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream your games on YouTube with your PS5. So if you don't have a YouTube channel already, you can make one quite easily. And once you are done doing that, you can just link it to your PS, go to settings, then account management, and then select link with other services following the sign-in instructions. It's super easy, and once you are done linking your account, you're all set. And while you're at it, you should link your Discord as well so that you have your whole team's chatter while you're streaming your multiplayer session to connect to your Discord team, chat join, or start a voice chat channel on Discord on your phone. Then select the option to join on PlayStation, and there you go. You are now connected to Discord on your PS. And don't skip this step because I have seen team-based multiplayer streams that have just one player's voice and it sounds weird. Now connect the HD camera to your PS5. All you need to do is find a good placement for it, either under the TV or on top of it, or if you're using a monitor, then it can be placed like a regular PC webcam. Now connect it to one of the USB ports on the back of the PS5 on your PlayStation 5 interface. Go to settings, capture broadcast, and select broadcast. Here you can tweak the output resolution and frame rate, include party audio, adjust your camera settings, enable the overlay which displays your stream, chat, and when you have a new follower, you can even enable text to speech. You can also tweak your camera settings or add filters, or maybe note I do recommend streaming with a face cam because it helps your audience make a connection with you. Now it's time to finally pick a game and fire it up. Click the share button on your DualShock controller and select the broadcast game play option. Now select YouTube, choose your video options, stream title, and start broadcasting. It's that simple. That was easy. Right now, just make sure you're regular and you're engaging with your live audience as much as you can let us know in the comments. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.